Then.
Corps and Staff by Sobarilihan ROTC. Corps Commander Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Noreno Giracho. First Class Corps XO Adjutant Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jeremy C. Stoke. First Class Corps Staff 1 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Alvin Nino M. Nesperos. Corps Staff 2 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Marcelo V. Abarado. Corps Staff 3 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Elmer A. Barase. First Class Corps Staff 4 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel GVB Doloritas. First Class Corps Staff 5 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Chinde B. Orang. First Class Corps Staff 6 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jorex O. Peligro. First Class Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Stephen J. Utbo. First Class First Battalion Commander Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Erwin R. Salan. XO Adjutant Cadet Lieutenant Eldrick Vincent C. Malnegro. First Battalion Staff 1 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Stephanie Grace C. Gilicame. First Class First Battalion Staff 2 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Michael L. Tapdasan. First Class Cadet Staff 3 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Mark Vin T. Ibali. First Class Staff 4 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Errol John B. Timbal. First Class Staff 4 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Staff 5 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Felice Angela J. Sab. Staff 6 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Cara Loy P. Pinales. First Class Staff 7 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Lord John Romer S. Barahan. First Class Second Battalion Commandant Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jude Anthony P. Piodos. XO Adjutant Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Neil Michael P. Balahadia. First Class Staff 1 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Nisi Chidkino R. Dizon. Staff 2 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Virgilente Dote. First Class Staff 3 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jeffrey L. Cadet Staff 2 Jeffrey L. T. Superales. First Class Staff 3 Vigilante Dote. First Class Staff 4 John G. B. Ligan. First Class Staff 5 Christian D. Gomez. First Class Staff 6 Vincent Malacora. First Class Staff 7 Jetya Kesha P. Dua. First Class